you don't want to have this, and you can use the lid to do the cooking, like make a soup, you can use the lid, it's okay. So, but
Is it stronger? This is stronger than this piece?
that's right, yes.
Nice.
This one, oh sorry,
Oh, this is definitely the one I bought.
this is Thai sweet basil, the one we use in the green curry, okay?
Very different.
It's very different.
Yeah, it's different from holy basil. That one, holy basil, this is sweet basil. Or you can call it Thai sweet basil. And,
Oh, so it's not holy basil.
sorry?
This one isn't holy basil.
That Thai sweet basil.
Sweet basil.
That the one, holy basil. And this is Thai basil.
Oh no, Jimmy.
This is Thai basil. Okay, you got three different things, okay?
Should be testing us later.
Thai basil, Thai sweet basil, Thai.
The Thai basil, sometimes you see in the packet, the people they call it hairy
Oh, I
basil.
like that.
Okay, so Thai
Yes.
basil is the hairy basil.
That's right,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, well,
Thai basil or hairy basil?
very,
When we go in, you can write it down so you know what.
yeah, very lemon.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Gosh, the other
So this one is the
But these
soup.
look quite similar, don't they?
So this one you use. I had it in the garden also, but I've never known which one. Right, okay.
Yeah. When we go inside, you can just
This one.
check the surround to memorize the one.
The, oh, the
Yeah, put them in the garden.
galango.
And this one is the South coriander. Have you seen it before?
Okay, the coriander.
South coriander, and
How do you know the difference?
they call it South coriander because of the age of it. It
I know,
like that, and we can put in tom yum as well. Do you want it? It's not in the recipes, but you can put it in. Coriander, South coriander.
I love coriander, yeah.
โอเคพี่สุดสักไปใส่สักสองใบอ๋อ
Well, I used to also do it as like dishwasher. Dishwashing up liquid.
Then I got cheap.
I like the taste of dishwasher. Yeah, you got used to it.
sorry
Taste it.
a lot of things to smell here it's a lot of things either you like or you don't like it's okay so this one it go into the Thai salad as well.
Yeah, that is delicious.
What's that?
It smells washing up liquid, so I like it.
Oh, I might take, I'm like, oh.
Okay, shall we move on to the shade?